All right, this is the Vortex HD65. It looks like this. And you need to factory reset your device. And there's no problems. You just need to clean it out because you're giving it away or turning it back into your employer or whatever other reason. But you have access to the in the settings, so you're not locked out. So there's a couple ways to get to the settings. We're going to use the settings. First, go over here by the battery logo and swipe twice, and that'll bring up this little gear, and you can touch that and get to settings. Okay. The other way is, again, from your home screen, swipe up twice or swipe up once, and then you're going to swipe up to it. The apps are in alphabetical order, so you need S for settings and then touch settings. Now your settings will come up like this. Settings screen, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and you want to touch system. So touch system. Inside system, look all the way down to the bottom. We've got the reset options. Okay, now this is the key one right here. Erase all data, factory reset. So we'll touch that. Now it's going to erase all data, factory reset. This will erase all data, phone internal storage, including your Google account, your apps, music, photos, other data. So, but keep in mind, if you've turned on your factory reset protection or your Google protection or Find My Device through Google and Gmail, you will still need your Google Gmail login and password to get back in the phone, even though it's erased everything. So when you've decided that that's what you want to do, you're getting ready to erase everything, erase all data, and it's going to ask you to confirm one more time. You can't undo this action. Everything's going to be deleted. And then press OK. And then depending on your phone, how much data is on your phone, it could take several minutes, a long time to erase everything and get back to a welcome screen like this. Hi there. So keep that in mind. And if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.